Hello everybody, this is your Poking Master, and for today's video guys, we will just be explaining our side because some of the people were telling that I'm not a real fan of Pokemon because I don't know the name of the Pokemon. Actually guys, I've been collecting Pokemon since 1999 or 2000, early 2000s. During first edition, apparently our collection was been damaged by the flood in Philippines. So you can check that out in my previous videos, guys. I think I post one of it when I went back in Philippines because currently I'm in Malaysia right now, and I start again the hobby. I start collecting since 2019. But before this, guys, before this card collecting stuff, I'm a big fan of Pokemon already because I'm playing Game Boy Advance. And I'm always playing Pokemon. And actually, I completed every Pokemon, guys, in Pokemon Blue, Pokemon Yellow, Pokemon Diamond, Pokemon Crystal, what else? Blue Fire, Yellow. So a lot of Pokemon versions already we already played. And I also watch Pokemon movies. I think the last movie that I watched is the XYZ. But the other new Pokemons, guys, I must be honest, guys. I really don't know the names, especially when we are opening packs like Korean packs and Japanese packs, wherein the names is not there. So I don't know the names. So for example, this one I know, guys. This one is Metapod. This one is a new Pokemon. I don't know the name. This one as well. This one as well. So Pinsir, this one. Pinsir. This one, if I'm not mistaken, is Tangela. So this one Sudowoodo, if I'm not mistaken. Tell me your thoughts, guys. Tell me if I'm wrong. Of course, the new Pokemon, guys, I don't know the name. So this one is the before the evolution of Hydrapol. Forgot the name. This one. You see, there's a lot of new Pokemon, guys. That's why I cannot answer all of you, or I cannot answer the names because this one I know execute, and then the evolution is executor. So I'm still knowledgeable in Pokemon, guys, but I think it's on the older versions. This one Scyther. So for today's video, guys, I will be telling the name of the Pokemon that I know. This one Gloom, Spinarak. This one is Ariados, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, what else? See, the old Pokemon is Heracross. So we know, guys, the name of the Pokemons. Apparently, the new Pokemons, we don't know the name, or sometimes I also forgot because it's very very long time ago since I last play and I last watched Pokemon. But we're still collecting because of the artwork, guys, and it's really really cool, guys. But sorry, sample this one, B Sharp. But don't tell me that I'm not a big fan. So this one, of course, we know all Pikachu, Wailord. So majority Yanma. So I think not 90, maybe 60% of the Pokemon, guys, in existence is I know the names. Lapras, okay, but the new ones, the 40% new ones, I really don't know. Entei, of course. Okay, this one new, this one new, this one new, this one new. So the new ones, guys, please bear with me. I really don't know their names. So hopefully, guys, do not bash me on that because we're all human. We always do mistake. Ho ho, of course, we know ho ho. So Slugma, and then what's the evolution of Slugma? This is the evolution of Slugma, guys. I forgot. So Swan Hydrapol. You see, guys, even though it's been too long for me. Actually, I thought this one is Slab Eye, but this one is not. I researched the name of this Pokemon. Okay, what else? Of course, Vicini. We know Vicini. Right? So, I think that's all guys for today's video guys. Please give me room for, for improvement. So, and also I hope you can also support our growing channel. So, like this one guys. Majority of the new Pokemon, this one is Ponyard, if I'm not mistaken. The evolution, after this is the evolution of this is B-Sharp. So, I think that's the latest Pokemons that I've watched. But the old ones guys, actually this is the new Pokemons. Snorlax, of course. Kilowatt Rail, we know this one, Wailord. So this one Magmar, if I'm not mistaken, or the evolution of Magmar. So majority guys, especially on the first B set, is we know all of the Pokemon there. But the new one guys, the new Pokemons, we are not so sure about it because we did not play anymore. After some time, we already work, so during working time, that's why I stopped the hobby of collecting as well and the hobby of playing Pokemons because of our responsibility in our lives. But of course, there will come a time that you will go back, especially when you already have something. For example, I can buy Pokemon cards already, and this is also one of our business right now. So hopefully, guys, you can support us. Who can support us, and I really appreciate it. And I think that's all. Hopefully, you can check our new videos and our upcoming videos, guys. Please watch our videos, guys. Really big help for me, and the thumbs up if you really like our video, guys. Really a big help for me. And hopefully, guys, we'll get monetized in this year or early next year. So that's all, guys. See you next time, and God bless. God bless. Keep safe.